has been some update on Mindtree as well as L&T Infotech merger on the cards. Anisha, tell us what are you picking up?
Well, this is what we are hearing from reports which we haven't verified individually, but they do suggest that Larsen Toubro Group is looking at merging two of its tech arms, which is Mindtree as well as L&T Infotech. Now, remember, Larsen Toubro owns around 61% stake in Mindtree and around 74% stake when it comes to L&T Infotech. And reports do suggest that the merger talks are already at advanced stages, and we are likely to hear a confirmation on the same maybe this week or early next week itself. Now, this has been something which has been much talked about since 2019 when L&T did that hostile takeover of Mindtree. There have been murmurs whether the company would be looking at integrating all of its three arms or not. And this has again come to the surface that Mindtree and L&T Infotech are probably in talks of getting merged going forward. And the reason is there is quite a bit of synergy when it comes to both of these companies. Now, if you look at the overlaps of these two companies, they're quite limited. So, in fact, 10 to 15% would be the overlap when it comes to those two counters, and these two companies actually complement the skill sets of each other's, and that's the key positive. And also we are seeing that throughout industries we are talking about larger scale, bigger sizes, and this will help the company to service its clients better with a plethora and comprehensive list of IT services, and that is something which is the key positive. Mindtree of course reports numbers today, and L&T Infotech will be out with the numbers tomorrow, but remember, they are talking about how the tie-up will give them better pricing power as well as lower cost, and there is minimal business overlap in terms of clients and segments as well. Just to run you through the numbers, the entire market cap of these two listed companies comes to around 1.7 lakh crore rupees. The combined revenue can be to the tune of around 20,000 crore rupees, and the combined profit of these two entities stands at around 3,000 crore rupees. And even if you look at the headcount, the total headcount of Mindtree plus L&T Infotech can be to the tune of around 76,000 crore headcount, which is quite a large size. And in fact, my expectation is that this deal would put both the two companies together into the top 5 IT companies. If you look at the segment-wise information as well, while L&T Infotech is quite heavy when it comes to BFSI sector, Mindtree on the flip side is quite heavy when it comes to HT and media as well as travel and hospitality segments. So that is how that complementation will work. In terms of the geographical presence, both the companies have higher presence in North America, with 66% of L&T Infotech's revenue coming in from North America, while Mindtree gets around 73%. Europe is pretty much similar at around 16%, and rest of the world constitutes around 18 to 11%. Quickly to wrap up with valuation as well, the valuations are also quite at similar level. While Mindtree trades at 37 times, L&T Infotech trades at around 40 times. However, the key question will be what is the swap ratio of these two entities, because other than that, it does make fundamental and operational sense. Back to you.
Thanks a lot, Anisha, for that. We'll let you go. It's been a busy morning and afternoon for you with Mindtree yet to come out with its numbers later in the day as well.